everybody. Today we're going to do the chair pose, which is called Utkatasana, and the benefits of the chair pose is to strengthen the thighs, lengthening the Achilles tendon, strengthening the tendon, the Achilles tendon, but at the same time also stretching it and strengthening the ankles and the knees. Is also quite beneficial for the knee joint, but you just need to get the right technique. The tendency, so if I turn on one side, the tendency is when you're doing the chair pose to just squat back, but as you can see the knees are over the toes. You want to instead imagine that there's a chair just behind you, about a foot away from the heels of your feet. So when you're sitting back, you're sitting backwards and the knees are in line either with the ankles or with the toes, okay? You're placing your hands in front of your chest and pressing the ankles together, pressing the knees together, you're sitting back. So you can see that the knees are in line with the ankles, just slightly over the toes. Now, my bum is sticking out, so you want to tilt your pelvis under, suck the belly in, and then perhaps squat a little bit more. From here, you're opening the chest, you're looking forward. If you want to go further, you just bring the arms up towards the ceiling. This way, you're also benefiting the shoulders, stretching the front of your shoulders. Suck the belly in, tilt the pelvis under, bring the knees together. You're doing 3-4 breaths here, and then you're coming all the way back up. There are some variation to the chair pose. One is the twist to the side. So I'll show you the twist and then I'll tell you what to look out for, okay? You're bringing your hands in front of your chest, squatting back, and then you're hooking the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Now what tends to happen is that the left knee tends to come forward. So you're trying to pull the left hip back. As you're turning towards the right, you're still bringing the hands in front of your chest. So the hands don't stay here, they come in front of the chest and you're turning the torso towards your left, stacking one elbow on top of the other and you're looking either straight forward or towards the ceiling. Sucking the belly in, 3-4 breaths here, and then you're coming back into the front, straightening the legs. And then you can do it on the other side. Feet together, ankles together, hands in front of your chest. You're squatting back, tilting the pelvis under, sucking the belly in, opening the chest, hooking the right elbow on the outside of the left knee. So you can see that the hands are on the sides. So you're now pressing on that elbow, pulling the right hip back so that you're bringing the hands in front of your chest, one elbow on top of the other. You're looking either straight ahead or towards the ceiling, sucking the belly in. And then when you're done, bring your hands in the front, straightening yourself, hands on the hips, and you go to the